tight. Wash your hands clean and bright. Cooking time is fun to do, but first, we wait a little too. First we mixed her round and round, then we pour, no spills on the ground. Next we bake, put it in the oven. Step by step we're doing something. Wait, wait, patiently do her. Good things take some time, you see. Follow steps 1, 2, 3. Waiting makes it yummy. Smells so good, oh my, oh my. I wanna bite, the little ones cry. But not yet, no, not now. Waiting helps us learn just how. Wait, wait, patiently hour. Good things take some time, you see. Follow steps 1, 2, 3. Waiting makes it yummy. Take a breath through your nose, blow it out nice and slow. Count with me, ready, set. 1, 2, 3, you're doing great. If we rush, it's gooey inside. If we wait, it's fluffy and right. That's how cooking helps us see. What we do affects what will be. Wait, wait, patiently hurry. Good things take some time, you see. Cooking, learning, you and me. Patience tastes so yummy. Great job, chef, you waited well. Who'll ring the bell? Can you tell? Patience makes us proud and strong. See you next time, sing